This is 3.3a on momentum and impulse. So momentum is inertia in motion or mass in motion, like we just saw in the sports science video. It carries the notion of both mass, which is inertia, and velocity or motion. Momentum then is mass times velocity. Momentum must be in the same direction as the velocity. Therefore, momentum is a vector. The equation for momentum is P, that's the letter that represents momentum, is mass times velocity. Therefore, m is equal to P divided by V, and V is P divided by m. P is momentum in kilogram meters per second, m is given as your mass in kilograms, and V is velocity in meters per second. Remember that velocity can be horizontal or vertical. Here's an example. A 20 kilogram object moving at 10 meters per second has a momentum of what? P is equal to m times V. 20 times 10 is 200 kilogram meters per second. There are some comparisons though. Something massive moving fast can carry a lot of momentum. Something really massive moving not so fast could also carry a lot of momentum. And something with very little mass doesn't carry much momentum unless it's going incredibly fast. So let's look at three objects. A bus has a mass of 9,000 kilograms moving at 16 meters per second, has a momentum of 144,000 kilogram meters per second. A car that has a mass of 1,800 kilograms but is moving at 80 meters per second also has a momentum of 144,000 kilogram meters per second. And a train that is 36,000 kilograms but moving only at 4 meters per second has a momentum of 144,000 kilogram meters per second. Momentum is the capacity with which you could stop the object. All three of these would be equally difficult to stop or to start. Impulse is a measure of how much force is applied for how much time, and it's equal to the change in the momentum. Impulse is force times time, or the force applied over time, it will change the momentum of an object. So impulse is represented by the letter J. J is equal to F times T. Therefore, F is J divided by T, and T is J divided by F. J is the impulse in Newton seconds. F is the force in newtons. T is time in seconds. Remember that force is mass times acceleration, and time could be horizontal or vertical. Here's an example. What force is felt by an object that experiences an impulse of 15,000 Newton seconds for 0.3 seconds? F is equal to J divided by T. 15,000 divided by 0.3 is 50,000 newtons of force. Thanks for watching.